Hi everyone, it's Josh from Miles Away here. Today's video is the 10th video of Britain's Greatest Trains video, which there's only 2 left after this. And today's one is all about the iconic EMU, the 321, which have been running for on the West Coast main line for like a few companies, and then also in the Greater Anglia areas, which they are simply amazing EMUs, because I remember them running on the West Coast main line when I used to go to like places like Rugby, Burnham New Street, you name it, because they used to run for like Network South East, which is one of the iconic liveries I remember. Also they ran for Silverlink, which is probably one of the best liveries I know, in like when everything was took over, like privatisation, when Silverlink started. And that's probably one of my favourite liveries alongside Network South East. It is. And then you had, I'm trying to think, One Anglia had them. I'm not sure if they were running before, but they probably were for, I'm trying to think. I don't think Anglia Railways had them. I think it's First Great Eastern it was, or something like that, the company was called. And then you had like One Anglia, National Express East Anglia, Abellio Great Anglia, which they don't have any anymore, Greater Anglia, because I think they retired. It was either last year or year before they were, and they were great units. And then as for the West Coast main line, they, after Silverlink, it was like London Midland, and then that's it, because London North Western didn't have them. The end of West Coast services were with London Midland, but now, because all of them are gone from passenger service, there's this company called Vamas Rail, which is like a mail train of some sort. They completely took away the seating in favour of like storage of for trolleys and all that. And I will link in the description down below of the 321 about the history of them and all that. But the Vamas Rail one, the livery looks really great, and I haven't heard anything that they were meant to have like a sort of like eco-friendly version of the 321. I can't remember what that was, but I haven't heard anything for a while about that one. So I will probably have that also in the Wikipedia page as well, if there is something about it. But the 321 EMU is just an iconic EMU alongside the 323. It is a great unit, the 321, because I remember hearing like the sounds, and that was an amazing sight to hear the 321s when they used to depart. And what else is there to say but a great electric multiple unit? And I'll leave the video there. I hope you enjoyed the Britain's Greatest Trains video. about the 321. The next video is all about the MK5 Coaches. So keep sure to see that one for November. So if you are new around here, smash that subscribe button down below and click the bell for all notifications, everyone, and also like this video and share this video so everyone will know that I've uploaded my videos, and also I'll link my Linktree account in the description down below as well. So I'll see you all in the next video. See you everyone. Bye.